for 1,000+ subscribers. This channel actually started as a small college project and it's gotten a lot bigger since, and that's all thanks to your support and for watching and for your encouragement and comments and questions, and I just want to really thank you so much for watching. So I hope we can continue to build this community of players and listeners, and to support and encourage each other to keep playing, because I know in certain parts of the world it's really hard to find a session, an Irish music session, or really a reason to keep going with playing, because the bodhran, you need people to play with. It's an accompaniment instrument, and you know, it's sometimes, for me anyway, it would be hard just to sit down and play with tracks all the time. You like to have that connection with people and to do the job that you are there to do, you know, to accompany the music and to uplift it and to do what's necessary to make the music sound better. So I hope we can continue to do that and encourage each other. And I've also gotten quite a few comments and messages asking if I have a DVD tutorial apart from YouTube, or if I teach one-on-one, then maybe through Skype or some medium like that. And I've gotten enough that I'm actually thinking about doing that maybe in the fall. I'm still working on like the details and stuff of how it would happen, or how many students I would be able to take on and all that kind of stuff. But if you're interested, you can leave a comment down below and let me know if that will be something you guys would like for me to do. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!